My name is Calvis. We just received our first shipment of Ball aluminum cups, and I'm going to walk you through my first impressions during this unboxing. My first impression is that it is a beautiful package and that Ball is front and center carrying this brand to the direct-to-consumer model. Ball knows exactly who their target market is. It is the consumer that cares about the planet. It's the consumer that cares about recyclability and sustainability and making a better decision when choosing their containers. I love this design. They've integrated the infinity symbol, the infinitely recyclable logo, because it really gets to the point, which is that 75% of all aluminum ever produced is still in use today. Aluminum is the perfect material for this type of a package because it is so lightweight. 30 20-ounce cups come in the box, and the box is extremely lightweight. This is exactly what I hoped I'd find inside the box. So we have the cardboard box, and directly inside we have the aluminum cups. There is zero plastic in any of this package. Front and center, the Ball logo, but just as prominently on two different places is the infinitely recyclable logo, which I absolutely love. I must say, I am overly impressed by this cup. Nice job, Ball. This cup can be recycled and it will not end up in the landfill, a giant step in the right direction.